Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Coding Professor. Today we would like to study Fstring. So still using plus operator to join a string in Python. Stop wasting time. Today I will show you a shortcut that makes your code shorter and cleaner. It's called Fstring, right? So as we learned in the Python variable chapter, we cannot combine string and numbers like this, right? So in that method, what we have to use, but we will use f string to combine the string and numbers by using f string or format method, right? So first of all, I write the string method or way of writing the string method, right? So first we will write formatting of a string, right? We will write we cannot combine and numbers, right? That is why we are using f string method, right? Right. So what is the specification of that method? Put f in front of the what uh, string literal, right? And add curly brackets, right? Curly bracket. So this is the what we call the specification or method of writing the f string, right? And then as a placeholder, f string method, right? So now we will write the example, right? So name equal to Jalwa, right? So this is the string and this is the number, right? My age is 29, right? So now we will combine these both string and number. That is why we are going to call the f string method, right? So I have written the simply put f just like text is equal to sorry f double quotes, right? Now I'll write my name is, we will use the curly bracket, right? We write the name, right? Name, right? And I am age. We will write and use the curly bracket. We will write the age, the name of variable, right? So now we will print that statement, right? So text, right? So this is the f string, right? Adding a string with plus operator is the best way. Not at all. Python has a smarter trick, and once you see it, you will never go back. It's called the f string I have written. I have print the string. I have print the code on the string, right? So another examples we have just like we can write like the price, right? Price equal to 29.216. So I needed two digits after decimal point, right? So we will use the text, right? So this is the text and f4, this here method, right? So now we will write the price is dash what the curly bracket. We will write the price, right? We will use this column, and now what we require two decimal point. Then we will use the two point, right? Now we will print on the screen, right? So that this is what we'll write over here, F, right? So that output will print on the screen. So this is what we call the 29.59, right? You can give 3 over here, right? So 3, so this is 29.568, right? Thank you. So in the next lecture, we will study about the slicing function, right? So this is all about the F string. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel